Hello everyone, a big game out here.
That's crazy life here.
If you couldn't tell from the last video, we're in Peterborough today doing another Cex and Charity shop hunt. We're just parked up in Queensgate. We're just going into the shopping centre now, so yeah, let's go see what we can find. It's nice in here. Look, Paddington guy and Kaz, sit down with Paddington. Just wants a break, I think. Hello.
Hello.
Look at that nice little phone box they've got here. Right, come on, Kaz, we need to go downstairs. There's an escalator over there. Why not going down the escalator?
I'm frightened of them, I don't like them.
It's like, look, oh, there's a little bird thing or something. There's sheep or something. What's that? I'm downstairs now. It's quite nice. It's got this thing called Unity here, where they support up to 50 local businesses. It's quite nice. Do you want to go in there, Kaz? Right, not a bad little shopping centre that. Let's go outside. Find some charity shops. Alright, first I've got a massive Salvation Army. Looks like some nice stuff in the window as well. Right, let's go see if they've got any games in here. Nothing worth getting. Right, next up we've got Age UK here in Peterborough. Go check this out. No video games in here, or DVDs to be precise. Right, next up, Cancer Research UK. Let's go and hope this has got something in it. No, nothing sadly. Back at the main town centre a bit now, just been up there. Wasn't anything there. But apparently Kaz has walked off to Weatherspoon, so we need to go find her. I thought I went to the right one, there was one down that end. But apparently there's two here. So yeah, let's go find Kaz. Well, I found Cex, but I'll be back there later. We need to go find Kaz and look for some more charity shops. Quite a nice little area of Peterborough. Oh, they've got a Wingstop. It's quite nice there. Well, apparently it's down this way. I don't think we're going to find any charity shops down here. That's quite nice. Taco Bell. Oh, I never had a Taco Bell. I need to get that. Right, let's go. Quite a nice chat. Anyway, down here apparently is Weatherspoons. So let's go. Right, I survived the 20 homeless people asking me for money. And we've made it to Draper's Arms, Weatherspoons. Right, how do we get in? There's a door there. Right, here we go. Lovely little place. Here she is, we found her. How you doing?
I'm good.
You haven't got a drink?
No.
Or is that your old man drink?
No, that's not my drink.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, they've got some good deals there on the Monday club prices. Look at that. Oh, happy days. Oh, the drink has arrived. Right, left Kaz in Weatherspoons. I didn't even realise when we come past this church earlier. Got the cathedral there, look at that. Peterborough Cathedral. It's amazing. Right, next up we've got the British Heart Foundation. Go and have a look in here. Sadly, nothing in here. I know the cash generator, but that's shut down. We're going into Rivergate because I've recently got back into Pokemon cards. We've got a little shop in here. Don't know if they're going to sell any Pokemon cards, but we're going to have a look. On them little sort of sell cards and stuff. Board games, things like that. This doesn't look nice like the other one did. But yeah, a few little independent shops and anything. The charity shop there actually. Let's go and check that one out. Yeah, nothing in here. A few books and stuff. That's about it. Well, so that store, the Rift, you've got a British Heart Foundation home store over there, but yeah, we'll go look in here. Yeah, nothing in that shop I needed. Only all Yu-Gi-Oh cards stuff, but they're going to go check out this home store and that they've got anything, but you never know. Yeah, I don't think they'd have anything in here, but you never know. Might have done. Thought I'd come and have a closer look at Peterborough Cathedral. There you go, look at that thing. Right, I'm going to head over to Cex now. Let's go. There we are, finally back at Cex. Anything worth looking at in the window is the Spider-Man versus the PS5, PS4. Let's go in. incline. Let's make Kaz go in there. That's pretty cool for £65.
That's about £65, that's good.
There's Karen, the back of her hair. The hair's a bit messy.
Right.
What do you think of Peterborough?
Yeah, it was okay.
Alright, let's go back to the shopping level. Right, and we are back in the hotel room after Peterborough. I'm just pouring myself a beer. Cracked open that German lager. So yeah, let's have a swig of it. It looks nice. Nice lager, that, just a bit warm. So Peterborough weren't a little bad place. Quite a few charity shops. That nice one I went in first of all, the Salvation Army, had the retro bit up the top. Don't often see that. But I did pick up some Pokemon cards. So I know I was on the hunt for them. And on my way to the hotel, stopped at a little shop. Got myself this little one here, little single. Arven's Gradient. So I'm going for the Destined Rivals for a master set. So this was one of the cards I needed, but also going for a master set. Just trying to get all the promo cards, so I picked this box set up as well. Now, the one thing I don't like about these sort of sets, so this is Cynthia's Garchomp EX Premium Collection. It comes with a lovely promo card in it, but it only comes with 2 packs from Destined Rivals. So there's 6 packs in total, but only 2 of them are from Destined Rivals, which is a shame. It's got these lovely little standout things as well, little pop out. It's got a little Polaroid card in there somewhere as well. So yeah, this was £40. Pretty cheap. Some of these go on eBay for a hell of a lot more. So yeah, they had a few of them in there, but obviously I only need the one because I just need the one promo card, and obviously these 2 as well are nice little shinies of normal cards, so they're an extra one for the set as well. So yeah, that is everything from Peterborough. So as I'm in a hotel, you know, this journey continues, so we'll carry on tomorrow, someone new. You'll see that next week. So cheers everyone, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.